Oh, what a life! What a life some people have, some dream of having, other are wasting their life. We all know people who have money success, and between other people in society, they are arrogant, repulsive, and stupid as fake. Today's talk is about 5 new differences between life success and money success. Why is important to have a life system, a plan, and a vision, even if you could fail achieving it, or get lost on this journey of good and bad life experiences. With various temptations and distractions near the corner, people are not sure what they want what other people have, and the majority take for granted what is free. Welcome to Enrich Talks, the original YouTube channel where we try to wake up people. Not everything that has wings is good to eat, and not every time you hear the alarm clock makes you happy. Life is a thing all the people experience on this planet we currently survive, and success is a word that people find all kinds of definitions to it. Life success and money success are very different and don't depend on what you say or do, it is shaped by your understanding of life. I have seen many rich, wealthy and famous people, who are ugly in character, ugly in behavior and unpleasant as parents, life partners, colleagues, and as friends. The general view of life is the first big difference. Those who are money-oriented, are rich, dream of becoming rich, they put the equal sign in the front of success. They preach that success is only about money, everything is about money, and money solve all life problems. And the honest life shows them in their 50s or 60s luxury life, being sick, tired or bored, single or with paid friendships, being emotional broken, petting a rich dog or rich cat, enjoying together their wealth. The general view of life, the other type of life, happy wife, motivated husband, having kids and peace in the house, having an upper standard of living, maybe a small business, more time with family than super rich people, having less of material things, but being grateful, spiritual, emotional, and for everything what life is, with problems and blessings. The second big difference between money success and life success is how you achieve it. How big are the sacrifices that you have made to be where you are right now, to have what you experience right now? And many times, for the things we pay with money in life, we overpay, the cost is overvalued, but we console it ourselves, having the needed money. The things we receive in life for free, that do not depend on us, for example, the luck of finding a good life partner, having talents, born skills, a beautiful character and maybe looks, being born or living in a good place on this earth, are priceless things. Even success comes easier and people being content with what they did and achieved. More profound, what kind of manager of life are you? Are you proud on how you achieved success? It was a good and honest path, or you had to walk on weaker bodies, fight till blood and make compromises to be where you are? Let's not talk of stealing, corruption, lies and being fake to be trusted, betray, not pay taxes or keep the agreements. The difference number 3 is time. Money success is temporary, same as fame, people don't care about you after 10 years, if you don't remain in the spotlights. I have a talk about nobody cares link in the description of this talk. Look at the present, how people who were rich, famous, past celebrities, even people you personally know, school colleagues, working colleagues. Today they disappear, in the worst case, they return to forced being private and poor in life. The long success is a mix of small successes in various life aspects. Plant a tree, build a house, own a Bitcoin, have some kids, some money and investments for retirement, some life experiences, to age beautiful, to grow in this life, help and inspire others and leave a legacy. Difference number 4 is the foundation, the motivation behind any success, and the thing that keeps you moving forward. When you have enough money, enough success, or achieved your plan, the temptation is to stop, to change course and maybe give up. Maybe greed, maybe silly, maybe stupid. So many people and businesses failed due wrong decisions, due economic crises, or just because unexpected life facts lead to bankruptcy or the end of success. The difference number 5 is the end. Death of the individual, death of the business, or being forced by life circumstances to quit, resign, or simply give up. Nobody thinks on how the end will be, what remains, and who will inherit everything you have done. Life success and money success are transferred to next generation, can be transferred or sold to unknown people with other vision regarding the future. Rich people die too, and big business are shared and sold for profit immediately. Success in any form is working, having the motivation if you want it, believing in the future and enjoy it. Life success and money success can work together, if principles and values are applied with common sense. Listen also my video about the rich internet influencer Iman Gadzi. Link in description. Thank you.